Hello everyone. Today I will try to explain you guys how you can use a 3D printer to draw something of your own. Like I will discuss some of a software that you can use and then put your diagram from SolidWorks from Crew to the inside the software and then command the printer to print it for you. So basically what we will use is a plastic based printer, not like metal 3D metal printing. No, we just use 3D printing using PVC. So let's come and check all the details how I'm doing that. Basically this is my lab. I'm doing a project. So yeah, let's see how it's gone. Maybe we'll run so that I can't get the software, I can't install the software to
record the screen.
Whatever. Let's see, let's try to explain you guys. So this is the software UP Studio. I will put everything in comment in description, but I don't think so you have a 3D printer. Even though you have, you can start to draw. I will put the software in my description below so that you can download it. So when you come in this inside the software, you will see here add your workpiece. So you can add from here, like you can select you one. I just choose my one, like you can see this one. I just choose this one to let me make it a little bit bigger. So yeah, so this is this workpiece, this is kind of fixture. I will use a circle here and then we will try to drill the circle, so that we need a fixture. So this side will be fixed and from this side we will use another same like this one, and then we will use a screw from here so that it can go in this way, and then it can fix the work part. Maybe you understand. If you don't understand, just ask me in the comment section, I will tell you guys. So after come here, at first what you have to do is initializing the printer. Before that we have some work, maintenance. So we have to come here. So here this is extrude, this is withdraw. So withdraw means if you have already the PVC in your printer, you have to take it off, and extrude you can fix it. So let's try to fix the PVC at first. So we will tap here withdraw and then we will go there. So this is my printer. Then we will come here and we will try to this one I already withdrawn from here, this one I already withdraw from here, so it will go in this way. So what actually is this? This is our metal, what we will use to print our fixture or structure. So this is like a ball, you can see. We will fix it. So this is done here, and then we will come in this part. After coming here, what we will do is we will put it down, and then now we will wait for the to come here, and we will extrude here. So now it will start to get the temperature. It will increase the temperature so that it's after increasing the temperature it will go inside, you know. So I will show you guys step by step so that you can understand very well. So this is the thing. So after come here, you have to push a little, you have to push it a little bit down, not like very heavily, just slightly and smoothly. You see, so it will go down when it will raise the temperature. When it will raise the temperature almost like, yeah, maybe you can see this is now 170. It will go up to 270 Fahrenheit. So you can see here the temperature is rising, and it's showing that it's extruding. But what we have to do manually is we have to push a little bit from here. We have to push a little bit from here. Just push a little. Yeah, so now it's going down. You see, now it's going down. It's melting. The metal is melting down now. So let me show you guys. I will show you guys in details. So now you can see it's melting and falling down from the nozzle, right? So we will stop the part here. Yeah, we will stop the part from here. We will stop it because it's already working. So we are done with this part, and we will remove all the safety caution is as because I'm not using yet this platform, but it's used to be hot. So when you will use it, you have to use a gloves, not like you use your hand directly. So our machine is ready to print something now. We will close it. We will close it, and you see, we closed everything, and then now we will command our machine to print our workpiece. Maybe it's a little bit shaky, sorry for that. So you can see here nozzle. We have to make the setting. Nozzle diam is how much you want, like you can put it in 0.4 millimeter, 0.6 or 0.2. And the thing is, the difference is the thing I already removed from here, like this one. Yes, like I did this one. So this one, if we use, let me explain a little bit, maybe you'll understand. So this one is 0.4. If you use 0.2, then it will be a little bit more slim, and if you use 0.6, it will be a little bit like fatter than this one. Maybe you understand what I'm saying. So we will choose 0.4. This is the most normal one, and nothing else here, nothing else. So we will close this part because we are done with the maintenance. Here is labeling, collaborate. This part a little bit hard. Maybe if you are in lab, you just ask your teacher, Lafzi, do it for me, because it's really hard. You have to make the labeling of all of these things so that the base of your printer, this one, it can be labeled with the ground, not like this part is up, this part is down. No, it will not work. It have to be labeled to the nozzle in every part, from here to here. You have to check, you have to get this nozzle to here and check here and check here, check here, check. So it's a little bit hard work. So most basically all the printer is already in setup, so we don't need to think about it. Just go and close this or cancel this, and then come to, we already did the initialize. Let's do the initialize again. Printer not initialized. You see, printer is not initialized, but it's getting initialized. I mean, it's getting it's hitting the board, and it's hitting the inside the temperature. And here one thing we have to remember is, when you are printing something, don't try to open the box, because it have to be in the printer have to be in a temperature, like a certain temperature, a constant temperature, so that the workpiece could be printed very well. If you open all the time, every time, the temperature will be gone in outside, so that your workpiece will be not a little bit, will be not very okay. If you don't understand, maybe after one time you're printing the workpiece, you will understand what I'm actually talking about. Whatever. So after come here, we have some work here also. Like you see, there have some. So this one is, to use this one, you can move your workpiece from the board, like in this side, so I put it in the middle. That's it. That is the most common and easiest way to put it in the middle, so that your machine have not to work very much. If you put it at the corner, your nozzle have to move a lot. And here you can use this scale to make it smaller or bigger, but I don't want, I want in this shape. And this one is like to rotate. If this one is not labeled with your board, you have if maybe it's like that, maybe show you guys. If it's like that, we have to it like in parallel with the ground, so that we have to use this angle. I think you can explore all the information from here so that you can understand very well. So after come here, this is the option to print. So if you tap in print, and then here we have something to explore. That one is zero. It's started to 0.1 millimeter to 0.35 millimeter. So this one 0.35 millimeter is the easiest way. Like it will not take long time, and this one will take a huge time, maybe 2 days at least, if you try to draw this printer, because this printer is not for professional, it's just for student to learn. Okay, so after come here, you will check, and the most easiest one is to put it in 0.3 millimeter, so that the layer is not very thick or is not very skinny, so that you can get a good shape. And this one is when you will want something very near it, you can use this one. And this is gradually is increasing 99%. That one will be very metallic, like all the plastic. So this one I already drawn before. So this one is 0. I used this one. So this one is already, you see, you can see it's inside, nothing is empty, it's already blocked. So I use this one. So if you want to don't use too much of your material, you can use this one. So it will gradually increasing the quality. And here is the quality: normal, fine, fast, and turbo. So every time try to put it in normal, don't go for fast, the quality will not be very okay. And nozzle offset is like, if you still think your nozzle is not accurate with your base, with your the board. Oh, I forgot to show you the board, how it looks like. So what we have to do is, so this is the board, and this is the board. Every time before you use it, you should check the surface if it's okay. It have to be smooth. If it's done smooth, you have to remove everything like that. You have to remove, and then when you are putting this one, you have to keep in mind that, like, it's not have to be shaken by something, it have to be fixed. So like one hand is not enough, you have to use your two hand to push it down and slide it to the front. So it's already fixed. Okay, now we will close. We will never open this one when you are printing. We will check if